Hello everyone of class 4th. We are going to study or solving our new topic which is exercise number first A. As earlier we studied about place value numbers and 3 digit number, 4 digit number, 5 digit number, 6 digit numbers and the making their faces value and place value and difference of that both the values. Okay. After that we also studied this similar topic into the abacus spikes method. So our first question of exercise number first day is depending upon that topic of spike abacus. So now here question number 1. Write the numbers shown on the spike abacus. This is nothing but the spike abacus. The questioner saying us to solve this spike abacus. There are some spikes. These are some spikes, and in the spikes there are some beads, some circular beads. We have to just write the numbers of that beads which is present in the spikes. So while I solving this question, our direction, our way is must by the right side to the left side because of our method. Okay, so now our rightmost extrememost right side of spike is named as ones. Ones means unit ones. Okay, so just count with me. 1 2 3 4 5 6. There are 6 beats. Okay, just write down here 6. Now please read with me. How many beats? No beats. That means if we found the vacant place, vacant place means something there is no any number. No any number means the vacant number. We provide 0 in the vacant place. That means how many bits are there? 0 bits are there. So that I just write here 0. Now read with me. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 bits are there. 7 circular bits are there. So I just write here 7. But while writing and reading, you just know at the top our values. So our first spike is of ones value. That means there are 6 ones. There are so our question number 2 is nothing but there are
मार्कर प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है ना।
पॉज किया क्या सर? पॉज किया ना?
हाँ बस
मैं वही बोलने आ रहा था पर बीच में से
मैंने वो तो टॉपिक कंप्लीट हो गया तो पास कर सकते हैं सोच के। हाँ अभी
the number is in the form of there are 4 peoples. Okay, people A, people B, people C and people D. That means they having some age. That age is in the terms of hours. That means how many minutes, how many hours, how many seconds they live in the earth or in the our world. Okay, so we have to just write down their age in the terms of words or the time in the form of words. So this is 5 digit numbers are there. We have to do just write down these numbers in the words. Okay, so just separate them in the place value charts, and after that we have to read the numbers, and after that we are able to write the numbers in the form of words. Just put the extreme rightmost side number, which is the ones value, that is 0. The value of 6 is tens value, the value of 5 is 100 value, the value of 2 is 1000 value, and the value of 5 is 10,000 value. What I am doing? I am doing nothing. No rocket science. Only the numbers just I put here. Just I pick it this number and put up here in their chart by separately. No more theory in this. It is very simple as that. You have just to pick the number and put here. Okay. How many ones are there? 0 ones are there. How many tens are there? 6 tens are there. How many hundreds are there? 5 hundreds are there. How many thousands are there? 2 thousands are there. How many 10,000s are there? 5 10,000 are there. So earlier I told you to read or write the numbers in the periods. That means ones period separately, 1000 period separately. So you have to just know the right side two numbers are combinedly or togetherly pronounced. Okay. Now 5 10,000 makes 50,000, 2,000 makes 2,000, 52,000, 560, 52,000, thousands place. You see thousand place. 52,000, 52,560. So our answer of this number is 52,560. Yes, it's very easy. You are just in your pronunciation while putting these numbers in the place value chart, you are able to read this number, and after that you are able to read this number, you have to just write down in your notebook as 52,560, 50,000, 2,506, 0 ones. That makes 52,560. Okay, so moving on at our second question, which is also in the terms of numbers. Just put this number and write here. 0 ones are there, 2 tens are there, 3 hundreds are there, 1 thousands are there, and 6 10,000 are there. Similarly, just pick the values at the periods same according to the thousands period and ones period. In the ones period, you have to just say about the hundreds term. After that, the tens digit combinedly or togetherly. Now 6 10,000 makes 60,000. 60,000 plus 1,000 plus 300 plus 20 means 20. Now the method of reading this number is 61,000, 61,000, 320. 61,320. Yes, this is the answer of our question. You are going to just write the numbers in the form of words. After that, there are two questions are there, 3 and 4. 3 and 4 is the question is for you for homework. Now just I tell you about this number. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits are there. That makes the numbers in the form of 10,000 value. That means we have to just pick this number and put up the values in the place value chart. After putting the place value chart, we must know about our first digit is in the place of which place or which position of the place value chart. After that we can read this number by this value. That makes 70,080. The zero makes a sense for saying the vacant place. No need to read this number or no need to write there zero in words. We adjust that number as a vacant place. Okay. Now similarly question number 4, you have to write this number as word. That means 78,840, or you have to just verify or cross check this number without place value chart. You need to memorizing these numbers or these values in your mind just by ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, so that our first value is in the form of 10,000. That makes 70,000, and in so 8,000 in the value of 1,000. That makes 78,840. 78,840. You have to just write the numbers in the words and the answer is done. Okay. Now these are our two questions of our exercise. Now I am going to write there question number 3. Question number 3 is write in the figures. This is totally opposite form of question number 2. In question number 2, there are some numbers. We just convert the number into the words. In this question, there are some numbers. There are some numbers which are in the form of words, and we have to convert these words into the numeral form or in the number form, in the digit form. Okay. So the first number is 17,000. 17,899. This is our question number 1 of question number 3rd. The question number 1 is 17,899. While I am listening this number, it make a sense of my answer is related to the place value chart. Now just I write here place value chart, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. Okay. Now while we reading this number, we reading by the left side to right side. While I writing this number in place value chart, I write here right to left. Now how many ones is there? 9. Last most number is 9. How many tens are there? 90. That means 9 tens are there. How many hundreds are there? 800. That means the value is 8. Well, in the value is in the column of hundreds. Now how many thousands are there? 17. That means 17. 10 plus 7. 17 means 1, 7, 17. So thousands is 7 and 10,000 is 1. That means 17,000 combiningly 17,899. The extreme right side two digit numbers are pronouncing combinedly. Furtherly, the starting number is taking as a singular number, that is 17,899. The periods of 1000 period and ones period, there are the combination of that number. This is not a complicated topic. We have just read or write this number by memorizing. This is the This is the method of cross checking our answer, not the method of answering. Okay, so you just have to write this number by reading itself. 17,899. After that you have just take this number ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 10,000. The answer is done. Okay, so our question is just opposite of question number 2. Here your number are in the words form. You have to just convert in the figures or numerator or numeral or number form. Okay. Now we are going to solve question number 2. Similarly, the question number 2 is 21,005. 21,005. That means no hundred, no tens, just thousand or 10,000. Okay. Now ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. The number is 21,005. I am little bit confusing about this number. How can I write this number without hundred or without tens term? You are having the place value chart? No, just write this alphabets by writing O, T, S, T or TS. That makes ones, tens, hundred, thousand and 10,000. Now 21,000 and 5 means ones place. While I listen these numbers, just I got a sense that these are the ones number or thousand or 10,000 number. 5 means just 5 means only ones or unit value. There is no tens, that means 0. Vacant is also written by 0. How many hundreds are there? 0 hundreds are there. Just 21,005. 21 means 2 10,000 and 1,000 means 21,000. This is nothing but our answer. 21,005. 21,005. The answer is 21,005. Just put the comma in the number. Separate this term in the form of thousands and the ones period. Okay. So I solved here 2 questions of this topic of write the numbers in figures. After the writing these 2 questions, you have to write the question number 3 and solve itself. That means you are having this question as your homework. Okay. So question number 3 is, please write down your notebook. The question number 3 is 32,009. The question number 3 is 32,009. Just follow the rules. Just write down the numbers present in the place value chart space. Just take the numbers and write in the column of answer. Okay. So after that, our fourth question is based on the ones, tens, hundred, 10,000, thousand, or the terms that we not studied in previous class. So in our next class, we study about that topic, and after that we are going to solve our next topic of exercise. Thank you.